My name is Jeremy Britcher and I'm a Spitfire pilot here at Biggin Hill. I've always loved aviation, loved aeroplanes since I was a small boy, running around the garden with sort of two bits of wood held together in the shape of an aeroplane, so it's something that's always been with me and just a passion. When you fly a Spitfire, it becomes part of you. It's like an extension of your limbs, and you really are connected as one to the aircraft, and it's just complete freedom. It's a whole different environment up there, and it's absolutely beautiful to be able to look down and be free amongst the clouds and just go and play. And that's absolutely huge fun doing a victory roll, especially over the iconic White Cliffs of Dover in a Spitfire. It really doesn't get any better than that. The whole experience together, it's the sound, the vibrations through the airframe that you can feel through the seat, the smell of oil and fuel and leather. It's just such an incredible experience. I look at these aircraft as really our national treasures, and they are. And it's very important that we continue to keep these aircraft in the air where they belong, and everybody gets an opportunity now to enjoy a part of the history and the Spitfire itself.
My name is Franco Tambascia. I am the Chief Engineer, Maintenance Manager at the Spitfire company. You know, I was very young. I started out when I was 17 and was put with someone very experienced and said, look, you just sit there and learn as much as you can from him. And that's how I got to be doing this for 26 years now. Machining, fabrication, engine changing, maintenance. It's very important to pass on this information, all the expertise, because otherwise it's going to get lost. Well, when you build a project that's taken 2 to 3 years and then you see it fly for the first time, you think, you know, everybody who's worked on that's put a bit of their sort of blood, soul into that aircraft, and it's just really great to see them fly and carry on flying. So it just tells everybody that we mustn't forget what happened during the war, and if it wasn't for aircraft like this, we wouldn't be here now.